Hey there, I'm Tyler, and this is my $260 Suzuki SX4. As you seen yesterday, we've repaired the rear subframe. Today is going to be focusing on tune-ups. I'm going to be tuning up the engine and doing some maintenance things. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into it, baby. And here we are in the engine bay of this insanely powerful Suzuki SX4. What lies before me is a 2-liter powerhouse of a 4-cylinder. Attached to it is a ultra reliable 5-speed manual transmission. Overall, a fantastic drivetrain, baby. So today we're going to focus on doing a tune-up, oil change, spark plugs, air filter, because those 3 things were changed when God knows when last. So we're going to do it today, make this thing a happy running machine. Although it currently runs amazing, actually. This thing runs great, but I want to do those things just for peace of mind, okay? Let's do it. And now, by the power of this Pittsburgh pry bar, I shall summon the parts I need to perform this tune-up. I'm going to call upon the Suzuki gods to supply me with the parts I need. You fucking hear that? You better cough it up. I need some parts. If you want some love, I need the parts right now. Go! It actually worked. Look at that. NGK spark plugs. They were feeling awfully generous today, the Suzuki gods. We also have some STP air filter, STP oil change. Wow. I guess let's get into it. Yeah, it looks pretty dirty. Look at that. Junk. Oh, geez. They're pretty much brand new. Well, hey, how was I supposed to know? Look at that. Okay, so that's one of the cylinders. Yeah, once again, like brand new. I'm going to gap these to 44 thousandths. Have my little spark plug gapper here. See where these are at. We're about 37 thousandths roughly. Let's try that right there. See where we're at now. Look at that. Pretty much 44 thousandths, if you ask me. Now we must do that 3 more times. And there we are. We now have all 4 spark plugs properly gapped. Let's now install them. There we go. Oh, yeah. Much better. And there we go. Spark plugs and air filter complete. Let's now move on to the oil change, baby. We're going for a little trip underneath the Suzuki. Please use jack stands. Never trust a jack alone to support the weight of a vehicle while you're underneath it. I'm just doing a very quick glance to see where the drain plug is. Oh, there's a transmission. All right, so it's gonna be right there, more than likely, on the back of the pan. So where's the filter? Probably here somewhere. Yep, right there. Okay, so there's the oil filter on the passenger side, and the drain plug is probably more than likely right there on the back of the pan. So let's check up the passenger side. So I currently have the oil draining. Check out this beefy drain plug. That is one beefy bolt. Pretty awesome. 17mm socket size. The same size as the BMWs I typically work on. But that's just a heck of a bolt. This thing was freaking tight too. I had to heat up the oil pan with a little bit of handheld torch. Looks like there's some thread locker on that. That's probably why. Yeah. A little sliver of thread locker right there. Blue. That's why it was so tight. Fresh, clean drain bolt. Look at that. Pretty nice. Also, on a plus note, that the oil coming out of the engine is actually pretty clean. That is awesome. An awesome sign. I mean, it's obviously a little bit dark because it has been changed in a few thousand, but overall, the engine seems to be very healthy, which is awesome. We are about ready to fire up this bad boy. We just need one more thing, however, and that is the battery. Battery, B-A-T-T-E-R-Y, the box full of juice. You know what I'm talking about. However, she is currently hooked up to the IV, as you can see, the trickle charger. So the light is red, meaning it is not ready yet. However, a solid red is good. That means it's taking a charge. That battery's from 2017. It's a few years old. But she's taking a charge, so I'm going to check it with the multimeter and see what voltage it's currently at. And here we are with the classic multimeter. Going to check the voltage of the battery. See where it's currently at. Bam. Bam. Ooh. She's definitely taking a charge, baby. She should be almost done. Usually whenever it reaches 80% capacity, they'll start flashing green. I'm surprised it's not to that point yet. Well, with that being said, do you think I should chuck this thing in and see what it does? See if she starts on an old battery? I think so. Come with me, little battery. All right. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Suzuki power. Listen to that thing. She sounds so good. Yeah, she sounds pretty nice. There's the mileage. 251,000 miles, pretty much. I can't wait to clean up this interior. This is a huge plus. Exactly what I wanted. A manual transmission, baby. Oh my god, that sounds beautiful. Overall, I mean, it's a pretty nice car for what I got it for.
Anders starts now.
Oh yeah. Cruising in style, baby. That's gonna be me. Rolling in style. I'm gonna have the women all over me, my rusted out SX4, baby. They're gonna love it. And just like that, we have a very happy engine that should reliably run for thousands of more miles. Well, guys, that's all for today's video. If you found the following footage to be useful or overall entertaining for you, please feel free to subscribe to my channel, as I highly appreciate it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Catch you later.